So this is LRC26. This is our water-based leather glue. This works on leather only. It is not designed for vinyl surfaces or vinyl fabrics. So it will only work on leather. This works by, if you have a tear in your leather, so if you've got a tear right the way down here in your leather, this is where LRC26 will come in. You would feed a piece of fabric in behind here or a piece of leather so that it is actually this side facing upwards, so that when you actually glue that in position, you're basically gluing the pair together like that. So that's how it's going to look. So this is the top and this is the bottom, so it's shiny side down, rough side would be up on the underside of your leather item where the tear is. That is how you would glue it together. Firmly press it together. You can then heat that with a hairdryer to speed up the drying process or leave it to dry naturally if you wanted to. Very, very simple to apply. Open the lid, which you can clearly see there. It has a spout on it, and squeeze out the product into the inside of the tear so that you've got the fabric backing in there or the other piece of leather in there, and then firmly press that into position and allow to dry. Where the tear is, you put a little piece of sellotape on it and pull the tear together so that the join line becomes really nice and tight. Just do not overlap your tear because it will look dreadful and will not last. So join them together to get a really nice fine line repair on your tear that you're going to fix on your leather item. Or if you're wishing to make something and you want to glue them together to get a nice smooth finish so that you've got like a finished leather either side, that's exactly what you're going to get, is a finished leather either side like that. So it's the same either side with the two glued together. So if you're doing something like putting it onto like a book binding, that is absolutely perfect for doing that sort of thing as well, is LRC26. But it works on all types of leathers other than obviously, suede and nubuck and that sort of thing, or, aniline. It's not really that advisable for aniline, but you can use it on aniline. Just got to be careful with the amount that you use, that it doesn't seep through, so just use smaller amounts. On vinyl surfaces, use a contact adhesive, which you can just go on down the road and get from any sort of hardware store to get that from. So that is LRC26 water-based leather glue. Hop on over to the website and buy some today, leatherrepaircompany.com.